Hey there everybody, welcome to the 1985 FJ60 completion video. If you've been following the channel for quite some time, you might remember me picking this truck up out in the middle of nowhere, Virginia, when she looked nothing like this. This truck has come a long way, including bringing back that paint, dropping in a low miles used motor, and getting her to run and drive exactly the way this truck should. So let's go around and take a quick glance at her before she goes up online in the next couple of days. So we're gonna go do a brief tour of what this truck is before she goes up online. She is completed and she drives better than any truck I've ever driven from this era. The interior was really brought back to life. The entire interior was ripped out. I did a whole entire video about fixing this seat cushion. So this is an original seat cushion. It's all fixed, all beautiful. The dash is fairly okay. Pretty much crack free. It's beautiful. And this center console did not exist when I got the truck. I had to get one used and kind of bring it back to life, but everything is there. The latch works. There's the parking brake boot. This is a 4-speed, all fresh fluids in this truck. Really great to see that the fuse panel is there. Let's check under the engine bay. That's where all the magic happens. This is all detailed, and like I mentioned, this is a low motor 2F that I was able to source, and I detailed it all up before it all went in, and it's all been gone through. So I think that is the crown jewel of this truck, and it definitely shows when you're driving down the road. So a lot of stuff replaced inside here, including the battery tray, fresh battery, aluminum radiator, some of the hoses, spark plugs, cap, rotor, filters, new fluids, and basically everything, and a second-hand used carburetor that's been tuned. Paint really shines, as you can see, and who doesn't like those retro 80s stripes? I mean, come on, it really sets this truck apart. All the rims have been completely polished out so that you can see the chrome. They look beautiful. Pretty much brand new tires on there. The entire frame is beautiful as well. Freshly coated with a rust inhibitor, and there is no sign of rust under here. I mean, this frame is unbelievable. One of the best I've ever seen on the East Coast, if not the best I've ever seen for one of these trucks. Again, all this stuff is in great condition. All the lights work. I had to get this lower tailgate light to work, but it all works for that tag. Had to source another carpet for this. I did not go ahead and buy a new one. I was able to clean one up fairly well to get in here, but that's all completed. It does have the lower tailgate carpet, a little dingy there, but she is there. But other than that, this truck is absolutely amazing. I've been driving it for the last couple of days because I just cannot deny it. It is one of the best running and driving trucks. If you could drive a cloud, this would be it. So let's go take her for a ride.